Welcome to Lesson 28, Two-Step Word Problems and Averages. Our objective is that we can solve word problems that require more than one step. So far, we've looked at combining questions, where we were adding two things together to get one more thing. We were separating, where we're subtracting to get something, or comparing two numbers together, or the elapsed time, which is like it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and then like how much time has passed between 8 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Or equal groups, where we have groups multiplied together. Or parts of a whole, where we're dividing out parts of a group. But now we're going to put both of them together. We're going to use combinations of things. So Patrick went to the store with 20 bucks. If he bought 8 cans of dog food for 67 cents per can, how much money did he have left? So first thing I want to do is figure out how much he's going to spend. So I'm going to multiply 67 cents times 8 cans. 8 times 7 is 56. Carry the 5. 8 times 6 is 40. And I have 2 decimals here, which means I need to move 2 decimals here. So it looks like he spent $4.06. And he started with $20. So then we're going to need to subtract. These are both in dollars, which means my answer is going to be in dollars. So I need to borrow. It's going to be a 9. I got to borrow again. There we go. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 1. So it looks like he'll have $15.94 left over when we're all said and done. So with our averages, this is another two-step prog. So let's say I have 2 coins here. Let's say if I super count really fast that I have 10 coins. Let's say I have 15 coins in this one. Let's say I have 20 coins, 25, and 30 coins. I don't actually have that number in each stack, but we're just going to use it. In order to find the average, I need to add my total numbers of coins together and then divide by the number of stacks of coins that I have. So if I add them all together, I'll have 2 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25. I'm running out of room, plus 30. Then I'm going to divide all of it by the number of stacks. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stacks. So I'm going to do it in 2 steps on my calculator. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add up everything on the top together. So 2 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30. And that's going to give me 102 coins over 6. So if I take 102 and I divide it by 6, I will get 17 coins. So on average, there are 17 coins in each stack. What I mean by that is that if I were to take all of the coins and I put them in 6 equal stacks, there would be 17 coins in each of the 6 equal stacks. So let's try this one together. There are 4 squads in the physical education class. Squad A has 7 players, Squad B has 9 players, and Squad C has 6 players, and Squad D has 10 players. What is the average number of players per squad? So by that I mean I'm going to put all of the players into a big pool, and then I'm going to reorganize them into 4 groups. How many players are going to be in each of those 4 equal groups? So if I do the math really quick in my head, I should have 32 players, and I'm going to put them into 4 equal groups. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So they'll be in 8 players per group or squad. Looks like the problem said squad, so I'm going to put it in squad. 8 players per squad will be in each group if I were to reorganize them into equal groups. Go ahead and try this one out on your own. I'll see you in a second. So in a word game, 5 students in the class scored 100 points, 4 scored 95, 6 scored 90, 5 scored 80. What is the mean? So remember, the word mean means the average. I'm looking for the average of the scores. So I'm going to have 5 scores of 100. I'm going to have 4 scores of 95. I'm going to have 6 scores of 90. I'm going to have 5 scores of 80. What's the mean of the class? Well, how many total students do I have? Well, I have 5 students plus 4 plus 6 plus 5. So it looks like altogether I'm going to have 20 students. So if I do that on my calculator really quick, 5 times 100 plus 4 times 95 plus 6 times 90 plus 5 times 80. If you have a scientific calculator and you punch it in, you're going to get 1,820 points. All the students scored together. If you're using a non-scientific calculator or a quote dumb calculator, you're going to need to be very careful because your calculator is going to multiply your total each time and you won't get the right answer. So just watch out for that. 1,820 divided by 20 is going to be 91 points on average. So our average number, the average student, if they all got the same score, would get a 91. Wow, that's a pretty good score. That's an A-. Not too bad. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.